So we're getting off the ship today in the lovely island of Bermuda. Except they're holding Janet up. They're not going to let her get off. There's a giant chicken out here and another pirate. And these guys. Watch your step. Okay. Don't make me do your job. It's very crowded here. It took us about 15 minutes to get off, standing in line. But now we made it. There's another ship. It's the Grandeur of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. We're on the Norwegian Gem this time. And we're in the Royal Naval Dockyard. It looks like another narrow path we have to travel. So we're traveling on the Norwegian Gem, and there she is. And these are mostly people going on tours. They're standing around in groups. And here's the tour director of some of the tours. We're going to take a walk over to the beach on the other side of this fort. By the way, this used to be a Navy base for the military. That's why it's called the Royal Naval Dockyard. And just to, as a point of order, ooh, look at that water. As a point of order, Bermuda is nowhere near the Caribbean, even if you call it the Caribbean. It's nowhere near there. It's hundreds of miles away. Bermuda is just a chain of little islands joined by roads and bridges in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. He's impatient. So there's the fort, and we're headed to the other side of it. We got off the ship, walked over here to Welcome to Bermuda. They sell ferry passes and bus passes, but I think we have free ferry rides. And so we are in the Royal Naval Dockyard, shopping, dining, and entertainment, where culture, history, and adventure await you. Here's a picture. So I think we're trying to get over to here somewhere. Of course, we're here now. We came from the ship over there, got information. Calico Jack's is right there. I think that might be a restaurant or a bar or something. We're gonna go take a look at this, but we'll look at some of these other things too. Water looks sort of clear. We appear to be inside the fort now. I'm not sure though. People boarding a bus up here. Got your scooters here. And your block walls. We've reached the National Museum of Bermuda. And it says it's open, but it must cost to get in because there's a gate across it. And home to Dolphin Quest. Hopefully not down in that swamp though. So I guess you go in there and you pay some money, and then you get to walk around in there. So admission's $15. Oh, that's lovely. I see off in the distance the cooperage. Not sure what that is. Isn't that where they make barrels? And then the fun zone. So we're gonna head off this way, see if we can find the beach. By the way, you've probably noticed these giant green footprints. I don't know exactly where they're leading us. They are going the same way as us though. So we'll see. See a playground over there. Some swings, some slides. Fun for the whole family. So we came in the tunnel under the fun zone sign. And that is where we snorkeled last time. But this wasn't here. So that was the fun zone. And it's $5 a person to get into the beach. I don't know if it cost the last time we came because it was on a tour, because our ship was across on the other end of the island in St. George, and we took a tour over here and then snorkeled. So maybe it was $5 then. It seems to me it wasn't, but I don't know. We're gonna walk on down this way a little ways, maybe cross over to the sidewalk. So we're going into the Dockyard, Glassworks, and Bermuda rum factory. And in here they have stuff made from glass. A lot of stuff made from glass. Ooh, swirly. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that price sticker says $39.95. However, this one's only $35. And here's where they make the glass. But I guess they're not doing it right now. Demonstration times, 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. every half hour. So they should be demoing in just 5 minutes here. Look at those. That was funny. Some little paintings. I have a picture of me standing in there with my arms and legs out. Remember that? Well, we left the Glassworks because today's Easter and they don't blow on Easter. So there will be no demonstration at 3. Scooter rental. Not sure how much. Pedal bike rentals. Our ship. I see Diamonds International down there. Map of the whole place. We came from the fun zone down that road and then down this road. This is the Bermuda Transport Museum. I don't know how much it is to get in. And then this says Clock Tower Hall. Those are the clock towers, I suppose. Let me raise that up so you can see. So I don't know what's in there. Let's at least look and see. So it's a shopping center. Go figure. And it's a pretty big thing. It goes on forever and ever. If that's what you're interested in. They got these pillows. They have those lamps. They have these bracelets. They have these blankets. They have Danini Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Okay, let's look at these real quick. They have those keychains, cats, fancy plates, and candle holders, I'm guessing. Little bowls that say Bermuda that are $8.50. We made a left turn down there and there's more shops, but these are fancier enclosed shops with people sniffing stuff in there. There's our ship. And there's the wheels, the gears, and the lighthouse. Well, we went all the way around here at the Royal Naval Dockyard. We're back at Calico Jack's. There's of course the fort on the ocean. I want you to notice the color of that water. It's not very clear here, it's a little milky, but that is the turquoisiest water I've seen. We're going to try to walk out there as far as we can, get some pictures. Of course the ship's right there. It has this sign, so we're going to not go out there. This is where the other ship was parked, so maybe we had to be on that ship to go out there. The ocean's pretty rough today, so I wouldn't want to be on a catamaran or anything out there, I don't think. Or snorkeling, Janet says. She's right. It's breezy, it's not cold really, 72, 73. I mean, we're in shorts and sleeve shirts. Yeah, but the water is splashing over the railing there, nailing us and my camera. So we're going to get back on and check some things out on board. More Bermuda to come.